Hi there. Welcome to TeamRetro. In this video, I'll walk you through your first retrospective, from setup to wrap-up. Let's get started. When you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here you'll see your action items, any active meetings, and a list of your teams. To get started, select a team. Click on the Retrospectives tab, and click Start Retrospective. Next, choose a template that suits your goals. For something novel, let AI suggest a template for you. Choose the number of topics, select your team type, choose a language, and provide a prompt. You'll get a customizable starting point. Otherwise, you can pick from a range of categories like community or milestone, or stick with an industry standard. Add a title for your retro. You can add context or instructions for participants. And an image. Next, choose your anonymity level. Run a fully anonymous retro to build psychological safety, use named participation for transparency, or enable optional anonymity so participants can choose how they contribute. If you run retros regularly, you can enable recurring retrospectives. This automatically creates future sessions on a schedule and sends invitations based on your cadence. Customize your retro further by editing or reordering topics, or adding a background image for some novelty. Enable or disable optional process steps to change up your process flow. And configure each step, such as what's shown to participants and timers. When you're ready, click Start Retrospective. Invite your team immediately or share an invite link or code. A great way to kick off your meetings is with an optional icebreaker. Pick from a range of ready-to-go icebreaker questions or use AI to generate one for you. The spinner and timer gives everyone a turn while keeping things short and engaging. A simple way to warm up the room. Next is the welcome step. This is where you set the tone, explain the session goals, and remind everyone that the focus is learning and improvement, not blame. Run a quick check-in question such as energy levels to see how people are feeling as the session begins. If enabled, the next step is open actions, where the team can review open actions, agreements, and parked ideas from previous retros. This lets you celebrate the wins, address blockers, and build accountability across the team. In the brainstorm step, you can set a timer. Add background music. Control when ideas are shown and customize other options. Everyone can add ideas under each topic in real time. Share the link early with the brainstorm step open to run asynchronous meetings. The team can add ideas at any time during the sprint. Others can comment and react to what's been said. Anyone can click on the Ideas menu to add a poll for quick feedback. Create your own custom poll or pick from a ready-to-go set of questions to collect feedback. If enabled, you can add GIFs for a fun animation. At any time, team members can give kudos to each other. From the drop-down menu, nominate the team member. Add a message. And choose a kudos badge. A nice way to help build team spirit. Once brainstorming is complete, it's time to group ideas before discussion. Drag and drop ideas yourself. Let everyone do so. Or use AI-suggested groupings to speed things up, which you can then accept or reject. Now it's time to vote for the top ideas. Participants can abstain or vote on what they think is most important. You can control how many votes each person gets, whether voting happens on groups or individual ideas, and even fine-tune votes by topic. All voting is private to reduce bias. Participants can indicate when they have finished voting, or you can check out their progress in the sidebar. Once the voting round is complete, it's time to discuss the top items and capture actions. To focus the conversation, you can filter the ideas you want the team to discuss. A neat option is to allow everyone to propose actions and get buy-in from the team before you commit them to the action list. By default, the sort order will be by top voted, but you have other options here. And if your team is stuck, use AI to suggest actions to help kickstart conversations. When ready, jump into presentation mode. This will sync everyone's screen so you can easily lead discussions. During discussion, your team can use live reactions, quick polls, or ask questions. You can capture action items directly against ideas as you go. Team members can indicate their support for proposed actions, and you can either reject them or commit them to your action list. Assign priorities, due dates, and owners to tasks to create follow-through. All actions are added to the team and personal dashboards for easy tracking. To keep things flowing, you can park ideas and return to them later. Otherwise, discuss the rest of the ideas and capture more actions for continuous improvement. Once the discussion is complete, you'll move to the review step. You'll see an overview of actions still under consideration: open actions, team agreements, and parked items. Discuss and finalize the action plan with your team. Finally, you can close the retro. You'll see key metrics from your meeting. You can add a checkout question such as return on time invested to get feedback on the value of the session. If you've set up integrations like Confluence, Jira, or Slack, you can publish meeting summaries and action items directly to those tools. If enabled, AI can generate an instant meeting summary which you can edit. When you're finished, you can exit the retrospective. Looking for trends and hot topics? Head to the Insights tab on your dashboard and to the Retrospectives tab. You'll see key metrics on engagement, along with common themes and keywords presented in visual word clouds. These are color-coded to indicate team sentiment, and you can explore them further using the drill-down function. See trending topics and themes from your retros and see how their positive or negative sentiments have shifted over time. And that's a wrap. You've made it through your first retrospective. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.